nachádzame sa na Pezínskej Babe. A ako môžete vidieť, je tu okolo mňa dosť zvuku, pretože sme na pretekoch Race the Street, kde dneska sú iba tréningy. Prišli sme sa sem narýchlo pozrieť, fajn. Je tu dosť málo aut, na môj vkus bývalo to tu o mnoho viacej naplnené. A hlavne sme prišli podporiť našich novozámčanov, takže snad sa im bude dariť. Sú tu rôzne štýly stavieb, niektoré škarečšie, niektoré krajšie, niektoré známe auta, niektoré menej známe auta, ale v každom prípade pozeraj, čo sme ponatáčali.
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves as society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, wonder what my body will take. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with the certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. the next day.
Takže čaute, ako môžete vidieť, som mokrý ako myš, lebo máme nejaké až moc teplo. No, v každom prípade robíme skrinky a teda presne robím, dneska som tu sám, mám hotovú túto dvojskrinku, teda poličky do nej, ešte dorábam túto, kde budú raz, dva, tri poličky a tak. Dúfam, že sa mi to podarí čím skôr dokončiť, ešte mi chýbajú panty, ktoré musím objednať a keďže tam nechcem tie zápustné panty, pretože tam nemám kde zapustiť, keďže tie dosky sú dosť tenké, tak musím vymysleť nejaké iné panty a idem dačo naháňať. Sám sa mi to podarí. A teplo je fakt. A keď by náhodou, toto je koniec toho videa, takže čaute, majte sa krásne, dajte like, zanechajte komentár a hlavne dajte mi odber. Nič vás to nestojí a mne to pomôže.